welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys my swap package, which was unicorn themed, that I did with Ronda Garry. Hi Rhonda, thank you so much. I received this on Tuesday and I'm just now having a chance to open up this package and look at this super cute tape that she put on the seal here. I've never seen that. I don't know where you got that, but it's so adorable. And I'm just going to move this box out of the way and share with you guys the swap goodies that she sent. And I just want to tell you, this box smells so good. As soon as I opened up my mailbox, I could smell it. I don't know what it is inside here, but let me clear some room. And let's dig in. I have not peeked. All I did was open up the box. How cute. Look at all this shred that she has. I did this to my package to her as well. So I'm just going to start from the top. Yay! So this is what smells so good. And I think you can get these at Michael's because I've received one before and it is so yummy if you guys have never smelled this. And I love this. It's making my whole room smell delicious. Okay, let's get started. Oh my gosh, Rhonda, I can already tell this box is just jam-packed. So she has it wrapped in this tissue paper. Oh, it's a loaded embroidery hoop. Oh my gosh, this thing is stuffed, and this is my first loaded embroidery hoop. So let's dig in. She used this super soft fabric, and I don't know if you hem this yourself, but do you guys see that stitching? And then here is the back. It's just as soft, and she did the edges of the hoop as well. Look at how cute this is. She has a unicorn horn up here, which she probably made. So we'll get into that when I unload this thing. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so she has some paper clips here. So here is a unicorn paper clip, and I think these are from Hobby Lobby, which, if you can believe it, I have never picked up. So thank you. And then these paper clips, super cute. Oh, you sent me some of these. I think, I'm so sorry about that glare. Are these the ones from Martha Stewart? Because I could not find these anywhere. But that is some holographic cardstock. So thank you for those. Here are some purple gems, and I really don't have a lot of purple gems, so this will come in handy. These are so cute. Where are these from? These look familiar. I'm thinking these are from Michael's. I think they probably are from like the planner section, but I've never seen these, and look how adorable that is. Thank you. And a pack of stars. These are really pretty. This looks like it's by EK Success, but I love that. Thank you. How adorable is this? Where's this from? It's huge, and it has pink foiling on it. So cute. These will all go so perfect in my unicorn section, which I'm still working on, and I will show that to you as soon as I'm finished. So she has a couple of these acetate tags from Hobby Lobby. Girl, you just jam-packed this thing. Some blue gems, which I always can use. Look at these tassels. Did you make these? I think she did. I have to open it. Or are these the ones from Michael's? Because I never even saw these. But these are so cute. I love how long these are. Yay! Thank you for sharing those. Love the colors. She has some cut aparts here, and this is from that, it's like a 6x12, I think, or 6x8 paper pad. I love these. Thank you so much. Can never have enough of these. She has a little memo pad. How cute is this? Who doesn't love unicorns? Come on. And this cute little notepad. So cute. I'm always writing down notes, so I can definitely use that. She repackaged some of these glitters. And if you guys know me, I do love my glitter. So she used that really cute Hobby Lobby paper, and then she die cut out the word shine. And this is that Hobby Lobby gem sticker. Thank you. Wow, there's so much in here. Here's a paper clip from Joanne. And oh my gosh, look at this keychain. And it is heavy. That is so cute. It has a huge lobster clasp. And so going to put that on my purse. Thank you so much. I can just already tell right now this is probably going to have to be a two-part swap reveal because there's so much in here. Rhonda, you totally spoiled me. And look, these are those pens from the Dollar Tree, which I just picked up, but I have no problems having more of these. So cute. Look, and they wiggle. So thank you so much. And look at these. These must be from Target. I think this is from maybe their spring collection, but this chipboard is so thick. So she pulled out all the unicorns, rainbows, and stars, and some clouds. So thank you so much. I don't have any of these. Oh, body jewelry. I don't remember seeing this at Party City. That is so cute. You can just use them as stickers. I love this line from Party City. I thought it was so pretty. So thank you. She has some sequins in these beautiful colors and has sparkle up there. She has some fun straws for me to play with. You guys know I do love my straws. Thank you so much. It's like never ending. Oh, and these are those, I think, iron-ons from Hobby Lobby. Super cute. I feel like I should make a bag, and then I can use these on there. These really pretty, like, clear stickers. I don't have these either. These are so pretty. They're like somewhat like enamel. I'm sure you guys have all seen this. It's Craft Smart. So this is from Michael's. Love those. More stickers. These are hilarious. And they're glittery and clear. I don't have these either. So it says the Paper Studio, so that must be from Hobby Lobby. Love those. Where are these from? These are so cute. Are these like planner stickers? The unicorns made me do it. And these are like holographic and like rainbow colors. I don't know if the camera is catching that. Yeah, I think these are planner stickers. So cute. Thank you. More iron-on patches. So pretty. I have a whole bunch of these. Oh, are these the postcards. I kept seeing this and I picked it up, put it back, picked it up, put it back. So thank you for sharing these. I really do think I do sweat glitter sometimes. I don't mind wearing it. Sometimes I eat it. Not knowing, of course, but where are these from? These are some sticky notes. I've never seen these. They're so cute. Can never have too many sticky notes. And more stickers. You found the cutest stickers. I love them, and they're glittery. And then these like journaling cards from that same paper pack from Michaels. And look how cute this is. She put all these flowers all around here, and everything is stickled to the nines. And I love these little raspberry gems that you used in the center. And then she used actual like eyelashes. So cute. And she made the ears out of some foam, and then I think she stickled that up, and she had to have created this. That is so cute. So thank you so much. I cannot believe you added all this stuff in here. Oh my goodness. You totally spoiled me. So I'm going to try to stick as much as I can back in and move it off to the side, because there is so much more in this package. Oh, I should have opened the card first. So let me go ahead and open the card. I think this might be the same card that I sent her. How funny is that? So this is the one from Michaels. Roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn. So let me read this really, really quick. Thank you so much, Rhonda. I had such a great time creating the items that I made for you as well, and I hope you enjoy everything that I put in your package. And I'm sure I'm going to love everything in this package. So yummy. Oh my goodness. That is hilarious, and don't think I will not be wearing this around, because yeah, I will be. Look at that. And it has that fur on the outside. This is so cute. I've never seen this. Where is this from? Walmart. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Yeah, I'll be wearing that around. Oh, and she gave me one of these from the Dollar Tree, which I sent her as well. So I can definitely use this. I do love my bath time. I mean, this thing is just jam-packed. She repackaged some of these little glitter shakers with that same Hobby Lobby paper. How cute. You can never have too much glitter. And she packaged up some eyelash trim, and this looks like purple. It's like purple glitter, because I have the pink one, but I don't have this shade. So thank you so much for sharing that with me. Look how cute. It's a gable box, and looks like she embossed this with this really cute embossing folder. There's clouds and starbursts, and she used that straw topper from Target. It says, "You are beautiful." How sweet. And then looks like she paper pieced with different colors on this little heart banner. So let's see what's inside here. Oh. Oh no. These are those ring holders. So the rose gold one did not make it in one piece, but you know what? I'm pretty good at fixing this type of stuff. So I know none of the pieces came out, so I will be fixing that up. But thank you so much. That is so sad. It's just a shame how poorly the post office treats packages sometimes. But this one made it. I could not find these anywhere at my Dollar Tree. So thank you so much. This will be so cute in my unicorn section. Love those. And I think this is the jumbo wand. And she was not kidding when she said a jumbo wand. Mine was jumbo, but it was not this jumbo. Oh my goodness. This thing is huge. Oh my goodness. And I think she used that die from Hobby Lobby. And looks like she made the largest one. I still have yet to make the largest one. But did you stamp this and heat emboss it with gold? That's what it looks like. And then she used that same Hobby Lobby paper that I did for mine and used, I think these are the ornaments, like half the ornaments. This is so cute. And then here's where she used the tassels and sequins bow. And here's another die cut here. This is so cute. I mean, I love how big this is. I didn't think you meant like jumbo like this. I would have made mine bigger. But I love it. And of course, because it's a shaker. Super cute. So she just has a flower cut out or a scallop circle on the back. It did get a little bent, so I will fix that right up as well. But that is so cute. Like, these are really big pieces, so I don't know what stamp that is that you used, but it's super cute. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple more goodies, and then I will be back with part 2. We do have one more thing that we were supposed to swap, which is the embellishment box. So, how funny. She got me a Unipoop. This is so cute. And it's so soft. And look, it has rainbow hair. And really, I give all my I give all my poopy stuff to my friend Anna. So this is my actual first poop anything. So thank you. This will go in my unicorn section as well. And look at this stamp. Where's this from? This will be so fun to color up. And it's a big stamp. It's a rubber stamp. So thank you so much. I'm going to have so much fun coloring this up. Okay, so that will be part 1. I will be back with part 2. So stay tuned. Bye, everyone.